Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy paste effects in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your project, or you can simply create a new one. You can go to the file menu, and then from here you can either open a project or create a new one. So now you will be needing like to have your videos. So I'm just going to import this one, and I'm just going to click on open, and from here I will have this video here. So I'm just going to add this one, and I'm going to add also another stock video so we can copy and paste the effects from it. So I'm just going to go here. Now I'm just going to add some effects to this video or to this element. So here, let's suppose we want to add a mosaic. So I'm just going to add this mosaic here just as an example. And basically here we have this effect. And of course you can start like having the effects from here, or you can manage the effects from here. So we can like change the opacity, etc. Now that we have an effect here, you will need just to right click. So basically when you right click on this one, you will have like these select all clips, you will have export here, you will have smart edit tool, and basically you will have effects and filter. And here you will need just to copy the effect. Now if we go to the other elements and we go now to the effects and filter, you will need just to click on paste. First, we didn't have like our video to have like blur. Now you can see that there is a blur here. I know it's not really visible since the video is kinda a unique color, but still you can see the effects of the blur. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.